All right, well, you might be able to see a problem or two. Right here and right up here. What's going on is the people I bought this race car off of welded right down in here. Granted, it is white, you can't really see. Maybe that'd be a little bit better. See how that weld comes out this way? Well, it's built up and it's grinding on my steering shaft. If you look up here, the upper control arm, every time it moves, which is all the time, it's rubbing on my steering arm. So I have to take my steering arm out. And what I'm going to do is I will grind all these welds down along this side, re-weld everything, make sure I've got plenty of clearance. Now the other thing that I can do for this up here, the easy aspect, is what I will do. I will basically cut along the top of here and then down and along this back side. Cut that whole section out. Then what I will do, take that piece of angle iron, cut it down to what I need, and place it in here. I'll still be able to use my weight jack, because I will have it behind the weight jack screw, and it will have plenty of clearance. This will stiffen all, and I will weld that whole piece in here. So it should sit something like that, give or take. So then what I'll do, upper control arm then gets bolted over here. It's no longer interfering with anything. That will also tip this out more. The top of the tire will then tip out. So as I'm sliding through the turns, it should, in theory, give me a better chance at handling in the corners. So that is what the project is. Got a couple welds I need to touch up. Like I said, I just bought this car. This car's never been on the track probably any more than maybe 10 times from what I was told by the previous owner. So like I said, it got some touch-up welds. Everything will be ground down. So other than that, she's pretty much ready to roll, other than I need my motor rebuilt, but that will be at a later date. We'll see what happens. So and possibly in the future, I'm hoping to bring more content. So if you guys like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, well, hit the dislike button. Leave a comment. The only way I'm going to get better at doing this is if people help me. So I'm not good at talking on camera. I'm not good at talking at all. So you guys help me out, and I will do my best to bring you better stuff. See you later.